I'm Ewan, and today we are going to be installing Akrapovic Footpegs onto our 2022 Triumph Tiger. Now, why would you go to put aftermarket footpegs on your bike? Well, you're going to get some added off-road ability, some added comfort both on and off-road, and they're made from a lightweight grade 5 titanium that is going to stand up to the elements and be super durable for all the thrashing that you do on your motorcycle. Now, we're going to include all the tools needed for this job in the description below, but first let's get started with our first step, which is removing our old foot pegs. It's important to take a picture of the spring orientation on both sides before you go to remove your old pegs, because you're going to need to replicate the spring position exactly as it was before so that they function properly when you have your new pegs on the bike. Now, when working with springs, it is always advisable to use safety glasses to protect your eyeballs. To get our old foot peg off, we are simply going to use a pick to remove a clip at the bottom of our pin here, and then it will free up our pin and we can wiggle the foot peg back and forth and pull our old pin out, and the whole thing will come off. If you're struggling with getting the pin out, needle nose pliers can help to push or pull the pin to help you get it out. Now, this is a very easy install, but if you've never done it, it can be a bit tricky. Essentially, what we're doing is taking our new peg and doing the exact opposite of our removal, getting our spring into the orientation that we saw in our picture, getting our peg on, and I like to start spring, then peg, then pin. The only hard part is going to be getting everything to line up. So a little tip that I have for you is using a pick or a small screwdriver will actually be a great way to hold everything in place, and then you can just drive the pin through with it so that they stay lined up. Now, to get our other side done, we are simply going to repeat the exact same process over again. Make sure to take a picture of your spring on the other side before you start as well, because if the foot peg does not return down to the position as it should, it's not functioning because the spring is not in its proper seating position. So just make sure that you replicate it exactly as it was before. All in all, this should take you 10 to 15 minutes to do both of these pegs. Pretty straightforward, but can be a little tricky if you've never done it, so just be patient. If you have any further questions, go ahead and click the link, which will bring you to our product detail page, and you can see what other riders are saying about the Akrapovic foot pegs. If you have further questions after that, go ahead and give our customer service team a call. They're all riders just like you, and they'd be happy to help you get set up for your next ride. Now, thanks for joining me in installing these Akrapovic foot pegs today. I'm Ewan. I'll see you out there.